All right, I've spent some time looking into the Neuman Apex Drive Pro, and here's the fast, honest take. This device is heavily marketed with big claims. Things like shockwave tech, vacuum performance boosting, and even improvements in size and stamina. But in reality, what you're getting is a basic, budget vibration massager with app and remote control features. Now, it's not completely useless. It's IPX7 waterproof, easy to clean, has multiple vibration speeds, and the magnetic USB charging is convenient. For what it is, a novelty wellness or massage device, it technically works fine. But here's the problem. The marketing is way ahead of the product. It does not deliver any medical or clinically proven performance benefits, and it's not comparable to real clinical therapies. Price-wise, it sits around $30 to $45, which sounds cheap, but value depends on expectations. So the final verdict? If you want a simple toy-like massager, maybe. But if you're buying it for performance or health claims, don't waste your money.